already started to prep for it. Throughout these 2-3 weeks before my birthday, I try to prep myself for it. So be it haircut, be it nail art, or getting a facial or something done, just to pamper myself and make it feel like something is happening. But I do have to say that earlier I used to be very much more excited for my birthday. Now I'm just like, it's okay, it's another day, but I'm still trying to celebrate myself because I don't want to let that part of me die. And yeah, just keeping the excitement alive for myself. I've booked a haircut from Urban Company. So past 2 days I've been calling up a few salons and oh my god, the price is so expensive that I just didn't feel that it was worth that much amount. So which is why I booked Urban Company, and he's gonna be here soon. I'll keep you posted of how. Overall the service was great and the results were also fairly decent, as you can see here. Then came the mammoth of a task, which was to shop for my birthday outfit, and thankfully I found some really cute options under one roof of Zotte. Definitely recommend you guys to check them out. Soon came the surprise birthday pre-bash thrown by my girlies over the weekend. It was absolutely adorable and they made me feel so special and celebrated. Cannot thank them enough for it. We later cut the cake.
And what do we have here? Kulja Sim Sim.
Moment of truth! Wow! Wow! It matches my aesthetic! Birthday is here, guys.
Yes.
Happy birthday, dear Triyoshi. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo!
Make a wish.
My first wish is to have my girls around me. I have found my girlfriends very late in my life, but I want to cherish them forever and ever. Amen. Thank you guys.
So good.
So good.
So we've ordered dinner now. Here's
Yes.
the birthday girl. Here's the girl wearing my dress with a lot of and Brinda. Woo! This looks so good.
Let the party begin. Now we are going to play Rapid Rumble, which is suitable for 6 to 99.
You can make this an antique, and when you're 99, you give it like a legacy to your kid and say, when I was your age, I used to play Rapid Rumble, my dear. Beta, beta.
Had dinner, sang and drank the night away. Next day, I went for lunch with my other set of friends. Manisha had gotten me cute flowers. We had some amazing food and drinks, took loads of pictures.
How was it, Priyanshi?
And the note was super cute. Later, we came back home, had some more drinks, played games, and had a great time together. Inching closer to the birthday, there were just 2 things left for me to do, which was catching up with my friend Kaushik and getting my nails done. Hello everybody, I am ready for yet another day prepping for my birthday, and today I'm gonna go and get my nails done, and I'm also gonna go see Kaushik because he had typhoid, so I'm just gonna go to his place and pay a visit. So yeah, now I'm getting late. Let's go right in. और कौशिक, तुम इसीलिए बीमार पड़े थे ना कि हम यहाँ ये घर देखने आए?
It was all part of my plan.
क्या हुआ था तुम्हें?
को हो गया था बहुत कुछ. डॉक्टर बोला ऐसे ऐसे कैसे कुछ फिजिकली होना चाहिए.
तो हम एंटीबायोटिक भी लिख देते हैं. Just got back from Kaushik's place and it's so hot today.
Bombastic side eye.
Had to get some ice cream for some respite. For my nails, I went for Own Your Nails in Jayanagar and they did a fabulous job. And for this as well, I had called up several places, but this place had the most reasonable pricing out of all. And then it was finally my birthday and Himalay had managed to put together a really cute setup with an adorable looking cake at 12 a.m. I want to take pictures. Hello everybody, it's my birthday today. I am actually running on 4 hours of sleep. I just had my morning coffee, but let me update you all about what's happening. Firstly, it is my birthday. It has fallen on a Tuesday, and sadly now we are adults, so we live and celebrate our lives only during the weekends, which is why my friend surprised me with a weekend birthday party, which was a pre-bash of sorts. And at 12 a.m. today I got a very intimate, cute surprise with my loved one. But the cherry on top was obviously the cakes, both the one that Mera gave me and the one that I got at 12 a.m. They looked and tasted so good. I'll have the details in the description so that you can also check it out. But yeah, I will show you all the gifts that I've got shortly. Today I am focusing on channeling all of my energy into my hobbies and having a really nice solo day to myself. And yeah, let's go about the day. Okay, so to give you all an update, I've been editing for I think past 3-4 hours now. It's taking me so long because I don't have a good iPad and I edit on InShot. So if it is a long video, I have to cut the video in several parts and then club it together on Premiere Pro. Why don't I edit on Premiere Pro? Because my laptop also crashes if I try and do some complicated edits to the entire video. It is a hectic job which just takes so much more time. So as my new year plan, I should get a new iPad for myself so that I can just make my life so much more easier, and it will just save me so much of time. But now I'm getting hungry and let's get some lunch going. I think I'm just gonna go to my friend's place and have a lunch with him. My gifts are also lying with him, so I'll just grab them and bring them here and show it to you guys. Grateful I am to receive so many gifts. It's a stressful task to bring it all back home, but let me just get done with this wrapping up process and I will show you everything that I got in the next clip. So basically I got gifts across 5 categories that I'm a huge fan of. The first one being YouTube, which had aesthetically pleasing things like cute cutlery, picnic mat and products that will come handy while shooting. Second category was stationery, which had things like journaling kit, personalized stamps, sticky notes, bookmark, acrylic paints, and a small and handy painting palette for carrying on the go, like for picnics and trips. The third category was of personal and lifestyle stuff like pieces of clothing, stick-on iron patches, cute pins, and rings. The fourth category was beauty and personal care, which had things like makeup pouch, sebum absorbing roll-on, UV gel polish and lamps, scrunchies, jewelry organizer, henna with a precise applicator and some ether. The fifth and final category was home, which had cute bedding, wardrobe organizer and a tulip lamp. Hey everyone, the sun is about to set, the day is ending. I don't want it to end, but sadly every day ends. Wow, Shreyanshi, wise words. But I'm using this new mic that I got as my birthday present. I'm so grateful, all thanks to Himalaya. He really gets how passionate I am about content creation, and he really helped me out with something that is going to upgrade the audio quality of my vlogs. So yeah, let me know if it's sounding better now. I'm really excited to be using it. Also, I wanted to end my day in terms of activities by painting. I got these really cute pastel colors. As I said in the morning, I wanted to fill up my day with things that I enjoy, with my hobbies, and that's exactly what I've been able to achieve. I've edited my video, put it on posting, I made my thumbnail, then I also shot a lot today. Now I'm gonna paint, and then ultimately I'm going to wind down by journaling. And you know what I'm observing right now? It's raining and it has been super hot in Bangalore for I don't know how many days and weeks, and finally it's raining on my birthday. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I can't contain myself. Just want to have my Dark Academia moment. I'm just gonna watch the rain, paint, and try and wind out my day. I've enjoyed my day thoroughly, and I would like to thank everyone who has put in efforts to make my day so special and have been a part of my celebration. So yeah, thank you everybody for being so thoughtful. I genuinely can't thank you guys enough, and I'm so grateful to have you all in my life. And yeah, I'm just going to paint and probably do a hyperlapse. So throughout filming this video, I just felt like I was celebrating my birthday with you all, my extended YouTube family. By the end of the day, I was filled with nothing but gratitude, love and appreciation for my friends regarding their sheer thoughtfulness through and through to make my birthday so special. And I wind it down by putting my thoughts and intentions for the year ahead in my journal. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.